Duke lived his life to the fullest with his beloved pack of dogs on the street. His cuteness won him so much love and care from everyone. Even the volunteers were so fond of him and were always eager to meet him. However, his survival on the streets became really difficult when Duke got old. His joints started to get stiff and he developed arthritis. Losing teeth made chewing food a Herculean task for this poor boy. To make things worse, he also developed a chronic skin condition. VOSD Pune team kept treating him on the streets until one day, a car accident left him with a fractured hip. Duke became unfit to be released back, so our team sheltered him at a private boarding. He was deeply loved and cared for at the boarding. Never did he fuss about taking his medicines. Such a good boy he was. Duke had become much healthier during his stay at the boarding until age started failing him. Duke suffered a bout of vestibular diseases and in the end his kidneys began to fail progressively. Our beautiful baby crossed the rainbow bridge peacefully in his sleep. But we're glad that we could give Duke the love and care he needed and deserved. Rest in peace, dear Duke.